Okay, let's learn to transform numbers into pictures. You have here some numbers, for example 123. To make this in pictures, imagine there's 1 and 23. 1 is a tree and 23 is a basketball. So imagine as a tree who plays basketball. The tree, 1, 23 is basketball. So a tree plays basketball. Then we have here 5,431. 54, there is no 54 because it goes only on to 31. So we have to take 5, 4, and then 31, we can take them together. So 5 is the hand, 4 is the car, and 31 is the fireworks. There's a big hand goes over the car, and when the hand leaves the car, there comes the fireworks out of the roof from the car. So hand, car, fireworks. Understand? Is 27. There is a sleeper. The next number is 27, 28, 431. There is a sleeper. He sleeps so well because he just drank Doppelherz. There's alcohol in, so that's because he's sleeping so well. And he dreams about a car who comes out of their wheels, fireworks. So 27 is the sleeper, 28 is the Doppelherz, 4 is the car. Oh, so there's no hand, sorry. So there's no, there's the 4, there's the car, he dreamed about the car, and 31 is the firework. And here we have 97132012, this number. 9 is the roller coaster, and the 7 is the dwarf, and you can take the both together. 13 is the lift, and 20 is the evening news, and 12 is the calendar. So we can go. The 9 is the cat. 9 is the cat. So the cat. There's a giant cat. The big cat is taller than the dwarf, and they goes together in the lift, and that was so extraordinary that it comes out in the evening news, and the people who saw the cat with the dwarf, he makes that in the calendar to never forget them. This picture. So 9, cat, dwarf, lift, evening news, and calendar. Okay, for the last cipher, last number, try to make your own history. 73423190445. See you later.